How to mute Roblox music. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of muting the Roblox music. Let's see if it is achievable. I'm using the latest version of the Roblox player. In the settings, there does not seem to be an option directly related to gameplay adjustments, such as the volume control. To modify settings like volume or music, you will need to enter a game first. Find the game you wish to adjust the volume or the music for and load into it. Once loaded, simply press ESC to bring up the settings menu, and on the computer, you can clearly see the option to mute or adjust the volume. However, there is no separate control for music volume. It's tied to the overall volume setting. Unfortunately, if a game lacks a music mute button, players cannot mute only the music. The only way to lower the music in the Roblox game is by reducing the overall volume of all the sounds. This video aims to inform rather than mislead, and if this information has been helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.